Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a shock absorber in Solidworks software. I'll divide in three videos. In the first videos, I'll draw a base of a shock absorbers. Now I'm going to start. Before going to start, I'm requesting please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share, and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now I'm taking a new file. Are selected, then okay. Then I'm taking units, millimeters. Front plane is taken. Top plane is better. Top plane is taken. Then normal. Then extruder boss is selected. Taking a circle. I'm taking a circle who is diameter is 45. Okay, 45. Then okay. Exit it. Now I'm taking extrusion is 3 millimeters. Done. And click on this surface and sketch. I'm sketching a circle and determine the diameter of the circle is 10 millimeters. Okay. After that, I'm going here. Super boss is selected. Then I'm taking up to 75 millimeters upwards. Then okay. Now I'm going here. Uh, I'm selecting this one and taking this sketch. Sketching a circle. Okay. So is diameter I'm taking this one is 20. Okay, 20 millimeters. I'm taking 24. It's better. 24. Then okay. After that, going to the feature, HTML was selected again. I'm exporting it up to 28 millimeters. Then okay. After that, I'm taking the front. I'm selecting this edge and fillet is selected. I'm taking the radius is 6 millimeters. Then okay. See. Now I want to take the front plane and normal. I'm going to the sketch and taking a center line. Sketching a center line up to this. Advanced click. Okay. Taking a line. Sketching a line from here. Advanced click. Select. Then determine the dimension. I'm taking this one is 20 millimeters. Then okay. After that, I'm selecting one by one. The first of all, this line, pressing the control from the keyboard. All lines are selected. Then I'm going to the mirror and about mirror about and select the center line. Now, then going to the small dimension and determine to this distance. It's already 12 taken. Okay, it's default. So exit it. Then I'm going here. So boss is selected. Click on this line. Selecting only one, so I'm selecting here and clear selection. Then two are selected now. I'm going here, midplane is taken, and going here. I'm increasing this one. Okay, done. Now see, after that I'm going to select the software sketch, and I'm taking a circle. If I want to circle, I want to take a center line. Then I'm getting a circle here, and this one is 8 millimeters diameter. Okay. Then the distance from this point to this point is 10 millimeters. Then okay, going to the features, extrude card is selected. Then going to the blind, card is selected. Okay, the whole is done. Then I want to create a extruded boss. That's why I'm going to the right plane, normal. Then I'm going to the sketch, taking a circle and sketching a circle whose diameter is taken 18 millimeters. Okay, then selecting this line, I'm in the diameter, outer diameter of this hole, and converting it is, then I delete. Go to the extrude boss. The expression is here. I'm going to the mid plane and taking this one is 25 millimeters. Now the base is done. I'm going to select the materials. Right. I'm taking the steel. Polish steel is taken. Then okay. See. Then I'm selecting the second extrude boss and going to the appearance, and I'm taking this color is black. Then okay. Now see. After that I'm going here and selecting this one. The base is done. And one by one I'll draw, then assembly final one. You'll wait, you'll see in this next video. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.